So preseason favorites, Kingston College, are out of the Manning Cup. And the excuses are coming quick and fast as to what caused this impressive KC team to flop. But with all due respect to all that we're hearing, my theory sounds the best to me. And it dawned on me after KC scored 30 goals in their first 3 Manning Cup games. I'm going to tell the world loud and clear, this KC team is playing too good, too early, based on the amount of goals they were scoring and the way they were winning. And they need to save them best football for the business end of the season. And look, I don't have to talk loud this evening because my theory is so solid and unquestionable. And it is simple common sense. This is not a straight league format where the most points win. All schoolboy football titles in Jamaica are won in big finals at the business end of the season. Kingston College play the Manning Cup like them accumulating points and padding their goal difference. If this KC team plays at its best, no schoolboy team can beat them. But they have to play at their best in these big semi-finals and finals, and not in the first round and the second round. And this is what KC do. And all of this is because the Kingston College coaching and management staff have mismanaged the execution of the season. KC should have done one of two things. Start slowly and get better as the season progresses, or start strongly and get stronger. What they have done is to start out like a house on fire, and then them get cold, and then hottish, and cold again, and cold. We don't need to light on the fire in the house, KC. Light on the fire, light on the fire.